In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer all data from Android to iPhone. Firstly, open the Google Drive app on your Android device. Tap the plus new, usually at the bottom right, then select the type of file you want to upload, like images, videos, docs, etc. Upload the files you want to access on your iPhone. Now, on your iPhone, install the Google Drive app from the App Store. Sign in with the same Google account you used on Android. You'll now see all your uploaded files from Android. Just open the Files app on your iPhone, then tap the Browse tab at the bottom. Select Google Drive from the list under Locations, and if prompt, tap Turn on to allow access. Just move a file from Google Drive to your iPhone's local storage. Tap and hold the file in the Files app or tap the three-dot icon, then select Multiple Files. Tap and hold, then choose Move, then select your iPhone storage destination. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.